Hi, beautiful people. It's your girl, Get Girl Talent. How you all doing? Hope you're doing great. My wonderful subscribers, my amazing YouTuber family. Thank you all for always supporting this channel. Yeah, guys, welcome to my kitchen. Guys, today's video is all about Oriental stew. Guys, you know we African, we like stew, but I love to prepare my stew in a different way or method. So today I'm gonna make a Oriental stew. These are my needed items. I got marinated chicken. I got a fried shaki. I got the heart of lamb. I got some shrimps. I got some chopped onions. I got some seasonal cubes. I got some dry pepper. I got some big red pepper. I got some powder salt powder, guys. This is very special. This is the main ingredient for this Oriental stew. I got some black pepper. I got some nutmeg. I got some ginger powder. I got some dried onion or fried onion, of course. So I got some fried garlic. Yeah, fried garlic is very good to prepare any sauce. The aroma is good. So I got some curry. Yes. So guys, let's get started. Guys, I have some for the stew. I've already boiled my tomato with onion and some curry and thyme. So now I put on my stove. This sauce is very special. I put on my stove. Yeah, first we put we start with the oil. Start with the oil. Put some oil. That's little oil. Yeah, we're gonna start by frying the tomato. We're gonna start by frying the chicken. Okay, guys. So we are waiting for the oil to get hot. Then we'll start by frying the chicken, guys. Yes, I think the oil is hot enough. So we'll start by frying the chicken. Bring it out. Now we'll first put the onion. Let's have little more oil. The aroma is wow. Now we put the red pepper. Wow. Now we put the shrimps. Guys, the aroma is really super. Number one spices is a little bit of curry, garlic, the powdered garlic, a bit, not so much, powdered garlic, a bit of ginger powder, and now we put the fried onion. So now the tomato we boil. We're gonna put it inside. Wow. Wow. Put the tomato inside. This tomato was boiled behind the camera. It's a boiled tomato with onion, guys. Yes, guys. We're gonna add a little bit of I don't like so much oil. We're gonna add a bit because it's not we don't have enough oil on it, so a little bit. Yes, guys. So now we're gonna add the pepper, chili pepper. Then we're gonna add the seasoning cubes. Yes, guys. Wow. This looks already delicious, guys. So we're gonna cover it for 10 minutes. For 10 minutes. Stay tuned, I'll be back. I'm back, guys. The stew is almost done. I'm gonna put the chicken inside. And then the shake. The salty powder, a little bit, little bit. Then we allow it to boil again for another 5 minutes. Stay tuned. That is it, guys. This is the outcome of my Oriental stew. Look at it. Looks so delicious. Wow. So, the video made sense to you? Give me that thumbs up and leave your comments. If you're just passing by, you like my video, subscribe to Just Got Talent TV for more of my interesting video. Okay, bye. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Bye.